Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Well, this very well may be the nicest, the hardest to find skid loader that I will ever be representing, ever be selling here. Here we got a BOBCAT S205 with extremely low hours. It came right out of a local guy's garage where he had kept it ever since he bought it brand new. This thing is just like brand new. There's not a scratch on it. The tires are brand new. It also, as you notice, has the extra large flotation tires. The backhoe is like brand new. You can see that the teeth basically have not even had their edges worn off at all. This machine is just immaculate. I wish I could find more of these. And of course, it's a pre-emission one. Engine compartment is clean. It's so nice, I'm not going to take it out and dig with it, but we did test it here in our shop. It also has the rear weight kits, and it is the S205 with, get this, the 2-speed. It has the joystick controls, and it also has the cab heat and air conditioning. And that's why I don't know where I'll ever find one like this again. So I probably ought to just put it in my barn and sit on it for about 5 years and sell it for $150,000 in 5 years, but we're going to put it up for sale. These are made 100 times better, in my opinion, 100 times better than what you can buy right now.